Hello kids! Welcome to our English class. This is Teacher Bet again. Alright, let's continue the study about phonics. Let's study today about the initial sound of M and N. Okay? Before we will proceed, let us sing the phonic sounds of letters M and N. Okay? You ready, kids? The M says the M says every letter makes a sound. The M says The N says the N says every letter makes a sound. The N says This is M, upper M, and lower M. It makes a sound mm. Can you say mm? Good job. M. Mm. Can you say for 3 times? Are you ready? Mm. 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 Very good. Mother. Mm. Mother. Mother. Mm. Let's do it one more time, kids. Mm. 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 Monkey. Mm. Monkey. Let's write upper and lower M and N today. So I want you to practice. I want you to prepare your paper and your pencil in there. Okay, let's write upper M, and then later is lower M. Okay, this is how to write upper M. First is pull down, straight, go back to the top, to the starting point, slant up, right, to the right, and then slant up to the right, pull down, straight. Okay, that's how to write upper M. Okay, let's go to lower M. Ready? Pull down, straight, push up, curve to the right, and pull down, push up, and curve to the right, slant upright, and pull down. Okay, that's lower M. That's how to write up lower M. upper M and lower M. So let's practice now. I hope that your pencils and your paper are ready now. Okay, let's write upper M and lower M. You can follow, okay? All right, ready? Pull down. This is for upper M, okay? Pull down straight, go back to the top, to the starting point, slant up to the right, and slant up to the right, pull down, straight, upper M. Now let's go to lower M, okay? Pull down straight, push up, curve forward to the right, and pull down, okay? And then push up, curve, and forward to the right, slant upright to the right, and pull down. Okay, that's it. That is how to write lower M. Okay, keep on practicing, kids. You can do it in your home. Practice upper M and lower M, okay? Okay, let's say for 3 times, okay? You can follow after me. You ready? Mm, mm, mm. Nose, nose. For nose. Okay, let's do it another. Same sound, okay? Mm, mm, mm. 9. 9. Good job. Let's write upper N and lower N. Okay, upper N, you're going to pull down straight and then go up, go back to the top, slant down to the right, and then push up straight. Okay, that's upper N. Now let's go to lower N. Okay, pull down straight, push up, and curve forward to the right and pull down. That's how to write lower N. Okay, now let's practice one more time. Okay, let's practice now the upper N and lower N. Okay, ready? Okay, pull down straight. Go back to the top. Slant down to the right. And then push up straight. That's upper N. Now let's go to the lower N, okay? Pull down straight. Push up and curve forward to the right and pull down. That's how to write lower N. Okay, let's do it one more time. Pull down straight, push up and curve forward to the right and pull down. That's how to write lower N, okay? Right, let's try to write the lower upper end again, please. Okay, fold down straight, go back to the top, slant down to the right, and then push up straight. That's how to write lower N. Keep on practicing your upper M, lower M, upper N, and lower N at home, okay? Thank you, kids. Let's have a short test. Which letter begins with this picture? 9. 9. Is it M? Or is it N? Choose your answer, kids. Okay, do you have your answer ready? Let's see. All right, what is your answer for that? 9. All right, good job. If you answer this one, it's letter N. 9. 9. You are correct. Good job. 9. Start with letter N. 9. Now let's go to number 2. Monkey. Monkey. Which letter begins with this picture? Monkey. Is it M? Or is it N? Choose your answer, kids. Good job. It's monkey. Monkey. All right, it's letter M. Monkey. Monkey start with letter M. Thank you. Okay, listen and choose. We are now in number 3. Listen and choose the picture. Okay? I will give you the letter, the sound of the letter, and then you're going to choose which picture, okay? That has this sound, or it begins with this letter. Okay, ready? Choose your answer. Is it monkey or is it 9? Monkey or is it 9? Begins with this, na? Okay? Do you have your answer already? You are correct. It's 9. It's letter, this picture, 9. 9 begins with Okay, let's read together. 9. 9. Thank you. Go to number 4, the same, okay? You're going to choose the picture here. Okay, I will show you the letter. The letter is Which picture here begins with Okay, is it nose? Is it nose? Or is it mother? Which of this picture begins with All right, is it nose or is it mother? Okay, choose your answer. Good job. It starts with the letter M. Mother. The answer is mother. It starts with letter M. Let's read together. Mother. Mother. Thank you. Okay, let's wrap up, kids. Let's try if you really get something from our lesson. What are these letters? Okay, just say your answer in there. What sound of this letter? M. What sound of this letter? Or what sound of this letter, M? How about this letter, N? What sound of this letter, N? What are the initial letter sound of these pictures? Okay, ready? I will read for you. Okay, first is mother. Mother. And the second one is monkey. What do you think is the answer? Okay, do you have your answer already? Let's see. What is your answer for the two pictures? What is the beginning letter? Do you have your answer? Oh, good job. It's letter M. Mother. Monkey. It starts with this letter. Okay? It starts with letter M. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, how about these two pictures? What are the initial letter sounds of these pictures? We have 9. We have 9, 9, and nose. What is the initial sounds of these pictures? 9 and nose. Okay, answer by yourself in there, kids. Try to evaluate yourself. What is the initial sound of these two pictures? What letter begins with the two pictures? 9 and nose. Huh? What letter begins with that? Those pictures. It's N as in nose. 9. It starts with letter N. Good job, kids. All right, kids. Thank you so much for your time listening to Teacher Beth. I think that's all for today. Goodbye. See you again next time.